Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learning with Nivedita. Today's topic is Theory of Personal Selling, AIDS. So, the theory is popularly known as AIDS theory. AIDS stands for attention, interest, desire, action, satisfaction. This theory of selling is very commonly used. The AIDS theory simply states that a prospect goes through 5 different stages before buying, responding satisfactorily to the product. Thus, he should be led comfortably through all 5 stages. So, the first stage is attention. First impression is the last impression. The initial attempt of the salesperson must be to put the customer completely in ease. Casual conversation is the best way to gain customer attention. So, how to gain customer attention? So, first is that you have to be ready with your sales pitch. You should be ready with the material that you are going to speak in the sales presentation. Second point is try to relax the customer. So, you have to make your customer feel comfortable. Third point is do not appear too eager. So, it's while you are doing your sales presentation, it should not be like that the customer is feeling that you are forcing the product on the customer. So, so you should not be very eager to sell the product because it gives a very negative impact. Okay, second is interest. Once you have gained attention, it is very important to maintain interest. Some salespersons are very good at opening, but technicalities take over and they become uncomfortable explaining the product. Okay, so this should not happen. So how to maintain customer interest? The first is present yourself as a professional. So how will you do that? You should be prepared with the material that you are going to speak because it makes you look professional. Catching hints. So while giving presentation, you should continuously interact with your buyer and you should catch hints that what the customer is thinking and is, so you should catch hints. Okay. Third is your ask prospect questions. So asking questions will make your deal interesting and the customer will be also feel engaged in the deal, and so therefore you should ask questions. Okay. Third stage is desire. Salesperson is required to create enough desire in the customer mind such that he immediately has to buy the product. So what you have to do is the salesperson presentation should be so good that it initiates the desire in customer's mind to buy the product. Okay. For example, imagine an AquaGuard salesperson. They highlight the product in such a manner that you might be thinking, why did not I buy this product before? Thus, creating desire becomes an integral part of the AIDS selling theory. Last is your action. Although there may be desire for the product, the customer might not act on it. He might want to buy the product, but he might not buy it. In such cases, customer need to be motivated. There are various ways to induce the customer such that he buys the product. It is important for the salesperson to understand customer buying behavior. So how will the salesperson understand about the customer buying behavior? We have discussed this in the last video. Please go and check the last video. Your last stage is satisfaction. After the customer buys the product, salesperson needs to assure customer that they have made a right decision. So after the presentation is done and the customer has customer has bought your product, so he should not feel that he has been cheated. He should feel confident and he should feel that he has taken a right decision by buying your product. Okay. So assuring customer gives them confidence and he then looks forward to your product rather than thinking whether or not he has made the right decision. Okay. तो फिर वो ये नहीं सोचेगा कि क्या उसने गलत डिसीजन लिया है या सही लिया है. ठीक है. अगर उसको प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगा, प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है और आपने फॉलोअप अच्छे से किया है, तो ही विल बी हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड. So thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.